The Nyotrab Youth Council HYC Bhoi Circle on Wednesday called on the executive engineer of the PWD Roads Nongport Division to demand immediate repairs of the Umrit Umdu road, which has remained in a dilapidated condition for months. The delegation urged upon the department to take urgent action, citing the severe inconvenience faced by commuters and residents of the area. During the meeting, the EE assured the HYC representatives that the matter would be taken up on priority and that repair works would be carried out in the coming months. The HYC said it would continue to monitor the progress to ensure that the commitment made by the department is fulfilled.
Youth Council jongka Bhoi sami mata singa layo ban bani keduk ya executive engineer jongka tran PWD hang ne hang po office u hanong po hagabri bat ki artli ki jing ujor nalyang jongki pajba ki basa hapo jongka than Bhoi sami jungi ki la yo ban kilaya kendu habri kabring kong golong habri bat ka jing bom sim khia nalyang jongka tran PWD habri bat ka jing bom maramot jongki ya ka surok kabuan nang ki na war musau hang dia hadu patarkama hadu hang dia patarkama bat hagi juga poru ka jing bagdon we ka jingking hapo ka shno kensir kabala sunjor kabala orpait kabala pedang kabala bu jingma bat ka jing musau ya ki kali ki bayai ya ka ne ka jingking kabadan hapo ka shno kensir ngilawan man bu da ka jing tho bat ngilawan ru bani kren bat u executive engineer habari bat ka ne ka jing ka ba ki pajba ki basa hapo ka thani war musau ter du kensir ya ka ne ka jing orpait jong ne ka jingking bat nagleng jong u executive engineer ulong ba u labu ya ka proposal ba kani ka jingking ka bathamai on sedang no hagi sedang banwan bat hagi juga por ban maramot ya kani ka surok buan na warmusau hadu patakma ulong bagladon ha ka plan bat ngi scam bahau no sedang banwan hagi benai January ne February ya kani ka jingmarmot ya kani ka surok ka buan na po warmusau hadu patakma on pentri kamno kata kani ka jubab ka ban yo na executive engineer hagmai kedu manusi kabar nang ta hagbre bat ka jing bom repair nagliang jong ka company ka bapentri ya kani ka surok ka bawan na Umrit syadu sya Umdu kata ya kani ka surok la pentri nagliang jong ka we ki company ka bade ka Dhar construction company ka bapentri ka bat la hadin bala dia pentri ya kani ka surok ka bawan na po Umrit hadu apa Umdu hadu menta kani ka company ka claim tre ban repair wat unu surok ula jot la praru yang mata ka single ban kendu ya u executive engineer ngala buru da ka jing tho ba nagleng jung ula kular hakbat jingi kum ka seng kata ka lon ba ya kani ka surok un sa sim khia ba lo ongru ba un sa pentip sha u try jong kani ka company lane shi ka basim contract ya kani ka surok baki day ban pendap no ya ka haw na usnam ubanwan kala belong haw February lane kala belong haw Braiman Henry nagleng jingi kum ka sengin senang budin ya kani ka kam lada ka kum ka jingkular ka jong u executive engineer lada kamlong ka basisok ngin senawan budin biang ya kani ka jingwan jingi banbu ya kani ka jing ujor ha ka bari bar kani ka jingi jong pajba jong ka dong Bhoi sengi jong hi berkoi